Hello, superstar. I would like to introduce you to the Titan R's DIY MBA admissions course. I'm super excited. This course is designed to help prospective MBA candidates like you define their MBA application strategy and go through all the important anchors necessary to ensure success in getting into your dream school for the MBA program and obtaining significant funding while at it. Who wouldn't want that? My name is Tomola Abiodun and I'm the founder of Titan Consulting. And I'm also the lead instructor for this course. I was in your exact position in 2016, preparing my stellar application to business school. Fortunately, I received positive admission decisions to a few schools and I decided to enroll at the Ohio State University Fisher College of Business to start the MBA program in the fall of 2017. I was awarded a full tuition and living expenses scholarship for my 2 years at Ohio State. Sounds really interesting, but my journey wasn't free of challenges, and this experience allowed me to see things from different perspectives. The right information truly is the equalizer, and I'm committed to ensuring prospective candidates like you have the right information and resources to ensure you succeed, not just in landing your admission to your dream school, but to also achieve your ambitious career goals, no matter how ambitious they are. This course, however, is focused on getting you into that dream school. You can check out our website at www.titanrconsulting.com to learn more about our other services. That being said, let's have a quick look into the course content so you can have a good idea of what this is about. This course is divided into 8 main parts that cover all the important anchors necessary to make your MBA application stand out. In the first part, we'll be teaching you how to define your MBA application strategy and select the right schools to apply to. Under this, we would cover the MBA application requirements and timelines, your school selection decision, the standardized test waiver conversation, because I know that's what a lot of you want to learn about, funding opportunities in the MBA program, and the reapplication strategy for the MBA program if you're applying to the same MBA program which you were previously waitlisted or rejected in a different year. Then we'll be teaching you how to tell your story through your resume or CV. Under this part, we'll go through the MBA resume structure and style. You will learn about the Titan resume framework. We would actually do a bullet point brainstorming and practice. Yes, we're going to have a brainstorming session. And then we'll teach you how to highlight leadership and volunteering experiences in your resume. Thirdly, we would be going through how to network effectively and connect with the right people. We'll be teaching you what networking is, why networking is important in the MBA admissions process. We'll be teaching you about the Titan networking pillars. We'll be teaching you how to craft your elevator pitch, and we'll be doing a LinkedIn networking hands-on session. Part 4 is actually divided into 2. So we have Part 4A and Part 4B. Part 4 is how to captivate the admissions committee through your powerful stories. Because for the MBA programs, you just don't have statement of purpose. You actually have stories. We'll be teaching you the admission essay structure and format, how you can craft your why MBA story, how you can craft your why particular school story. We'll teach you how to identify and mold your short and long-term goals, and we will teach you how to weave your personal and professional experiences into your story. Like I said, this is divided into 2 parts. So the second part will teach you how to navigate non-traditional essay questions. Here, you will learn how to answer questions on leadership, failure, diversity, and impact. We'll also teach you what you should include in the additional or optional essay question, when answering the additional or optional essay questions rather. Then part 5 is getting the right recommendation letters. We'll be teaching you why recommendation letters are important, the MBA recommendation style and timelines, and how you can guide your recommenders using the GMAC format. After this, we're nearly done with the application. So we will be going through the important tasks that you need to complete when you are reviewing and submitting your application. And then after submission, what next? A lot of people wonder, should I just submit and leave the application? No. There are a whole lot of things that you need to do after submission, and we'll be going through this in this anchor. Then The seventh one is acing your MBA admission interviews. Here you will learn the STAR framework. You will learn how to answer common interview questions. Because common interview questions are a lot, we have divided it into 2. And then you will teach you next steps you should take after interviewing. Finally, negotiation, admission decision, and funding. We'll teach you how you should select the right programs to enroll after getting different decisions. How you can negotiate scholarship increases if you haven't gotten significant funding for your MBA education. How you can evaluate additional funding options like fellowships, pre-MBA opportunities, and loans, and what you should do if you're waitlisted, because being waitlisted is not the end of the world. See you in the next video. I hope you're as excited as I am, because I'm super pumped. I can't wait for many superstars like you to achieve success through this course and the MBA program. Don't delay. Accelerate your growth by purchasing this course today. See you at the top.